All right, in this video, we're going to be given a description of a compound inequality. We're going to have to graph it and we're going to have to write it and then talk about possible solutions. So here we go. So my friend Todd has at least 3 Jews. At least means it can't be less. So if it can't be less, it can be greater than or equal to 3. And less than 8. Graph the compound inequality. So I need 2 numbers. So I'll click on the double bar here. I need 3 and an 8, and the 3, of course, would be less. That'd be to the left, so I'll put a 3 in that section or that spot. Put an 8 here. And I know I want at least 3. So it can be more than 3 or equal to 3, but it has to be less than 8. So I want the 3 can be equal. So 3 is going to be solid and shaded, but the 8 will be unshaded. So I want the last choice here in the menu bar. I want the 3 to be shaded, and I want the 8 to be unshaded, and everything in between. Now, if that's correct, I'll hit the green check mark, and I should get a green dot. Good. Now we have to write that inequality. And since the numbers are between 3 and 8, I could put the variable right in the middle of, I'm going to use x. It tells us to use x. So I know in the original problem, x has to be greater or equal to 3. But if I move the 3 first, I have to reverse that sign. So I have it 3 is less than or equal to x. And x has to be less than 8. So I type that in right into this box here using the symbols that are given. I have a 3. Now the less than or equal to and greater than or equal to are listed down below here. So to get the less than sign, I go to my computer, hit my shift that's above my comma key, and an 8. So all these are the numbers that are shaded. It includes the 3. That's why the equal sign's here, but not the 8. So it's only a less than. So I tap. It's good. I'm supposed to write one impossible value for the number of Jews. Well, 1 would be impossible. 10 would be impossible. 100. 2. 5 would work. 3 would work. I want an impossible value. So 1 is one of those choices. And there's many that would be impossible. If I get it right, nice. All right, let me pause, get ready for the next one. All right, this time, I'm thinking of a number. So we don't know what this number is, but it's either at most 17, at the most 17. So it could be equal to 17 or less than. So less than or equal to 17, or it could be more than 25. So there's 2 possibilities there. It could be at the most 17 or equal, at most 17. So it'd be less than or equal to 17. Or it could be, not an or it could be more than 25. It can't be anywhere in between. So that means I tap my bar here for my number line. 17 is less than 25. So I tap the 17 in the left section number. The 25 would go here. And I know I want everything that is less than or equal to 17. So I'm going to tap on less than or equal to, I want it solid, and I'm going to go to 17, and I want to go to the left. So either the number I'm thinking of is less than or equal to 17, or it's more than 25. So it doesn't equal 25, so I need to unshade it, but it could be greater than. So this time, there's nothing shaded in between. It's everything to the left and to the right, but including 17. Let's see if we got it. Yep. So now we need to write an inequality. I need to use x, but there's nothing shaded in between. So I'm really going to write 2 separate inequalities joined by an or. So we would type in the number x is less than or equal to 17. for a little spacer, or the x is greater than 25. So x, and my greater than sign is a shift to right above my period on my computer. So it would look like this. Everything less than or equal to 17 shaded here, including the 17, and all the other ones are greater than 25, but not including the 25. Now, choose one possibility for the number. So could 24 work? Well, 24 would be where it's not shaded. Nope. 23 would be where it's not shaded. 26 is where it's shaded. I would also check 21. That's not where it's shaded. So which one is possible? Like sometimes I'll ask you what's false, what's impossible. This one asks us for what's true or possible. Right? Do your best with those.